And gang. Hello, my name is Daniel. I gonna do a scooter check on this very sucky and rainy day. Not cool at all. I got some random grips. I don't know what they're called. So, and this binds that goes with them. Don't know the name too. I got Blunt Max Peter bars, signature bars, very nice. Then we going down to the clamp. I got the Lucky Double Clamp, awesome. I got the Eco headset, spins smooth. I got the District V2 fork with the Eagle silver core and some Blunt Epic 9 bearings, very nice. Then we got the District DK1 V2 deck with some enough zebra grip tape, very dirty. District brake and another Eagle silver core with Blunt Epic 9 bearings. That's my scooter check. Yeah.
Let me get a turkey sandwich. Lettuce, tomato, fish. My name Mac Miller. Who the fuck are you? Well, my crew too live, but I ain't Uncle Luke. And I ain't no hipster, girl, I can make your hipster. From Pittsburgh, smoke papers over Swiss shirt. Welcome to the Cambrellum Chronicles. Looking out my monocle, I'm dodging obstacles. I gamble like the Bellagio. You cockroach, I'm heroin, cause everything I talk is dope. Type to leave it clean and fucking shiny, word of mop and glow. Tryna get a mansion, ain't nobody here gon' find my room. Money gon' be green, I guarantee you that my socks stay blue. So press play, I start from scratch and never use no template. The next day, these losers always going with what's trendy. My pen game is something these motherfuckers have never seen. All city champion, everybody is second string. No need to